everybody, my name is Melissa and I am the marketing specialist over here at Courier, and today I wanted to talk to you about direct mail. We have a wonderful free direct mail marketing guide that is full of all kinds of useful information, from everything to making sure your mailing list is up to date, creating a unique postcard, and the plethora of different envelopes that are out there. So let's dive in and take a closer look. Let's start with page 3. It has a great breakdown of all the different direct mail types and setups to suit your project perfectly. Right after that, you'll also find 7 invaluable tips covering messaging, engagement, strategies, and testing, essential for maximizing your campaign's input. We can't overlook the audience and list section, where we dive into the importance of maintaining an up-to-date mailing list. And for design enthusiasts like myself, the back of the guide showcases a plethora of creative mailer examples. Ready to dive in? Give us a call and we'll send you your free direct mail guide today.